Hey guys, so let's make cinnamon bun filling. What we're gonna need, so we're gonna need butter, sugar, cinnamon powder, and vanilla extract. So let's get into it. So the butter has to be in room temperature, or it should be really soft, nearly melting. So you see the butter is very soft. This is how you want the butter to be like. It should be easy to mix it together. Then what we do, put the sugar and cinnamon together, mix them up, combine together really well. Until you get this nice golden look. And then put all the sugar and cinnamon on top of the butter. And then put a hint of vanilla extract, maybe like 15 ml. Like that, just a lid. And start mixing together until you get that nice smooth paste. Very simple, 4 ingredients, but very delicious. You can add almond milk if you want. I prefer to use like this. See, it's coming together now. You can use a mixer, but you need to really be careful when you use a mixer. You can easily overmix. So I prefer to use my hands. You see, there we go. So this is how I make my cinnamon bun filling. Easy and simple. Find the ingredient details on the description below. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Happy baking.